Hello, Eagles. How is everybody doing? It's Mother Eagle here. I hope you're well. Well, I have good news for you. Yes, the academy is open, so feel free to enroll and start learning. This is personal development, online classes, so make yourself better, and all the payment information is below an enrollment link. Well, I have a food for thought for you today. I was observing, amongst each other, and I realized many of us are trying to start a business, trying to better ourselves, but we are doing it in hiding. For example, you have a job, you want to start a side business, and you're afraid your boss will see it, your friends will see it, and it will get sabotaged. And hi, welcome. And that is a painful thing to think about, knowing that we want to better ourselves, but the environment is not allowing us. So my challenge to you today is to become the change you want. Empower yourself and the people around you to grow and be better. Do it without judgment. Give them the freedom to grow. Supposing you're a business owner and one of your people wants to grow and become better, allow them the freedom to do it with no judgment. I personally have always had a wonderful work experience, so I was able to grow and flourish with all my side businesses without any hassle. But I noticed that many of some of the ego members have to hide and be very calculative with their side projects. So you, as the business owner, be the change. Even if you train someone as your best person and they end up wanting to grow and go somewhere else, give them that freedom. Let us come from a place of abundance versus scarcity. The idea of holding on people and holding them back is an ego scarcity mentality. That means you're assuming there is not enough talented people out there. That's not true. Allow the flow. Allow the talent to come in and to live just the way it should. I just pray that you can start even from the bare minimum of maybe your household help. If you have help in your household and they want to get better, allow them to get better. Be in a habit of empowering and encouraging others to get better. That way, no one has to hide when they start their side project. No one has to hide when they go to evening school, because as a few of us get better, we all start to rise up as a society. So now you have to work out your scarcity mentality, think from a place of abundance, knowing that as people come in, you give them the freedom to flow out as life leads, because your place, your environment may not be the right one for them in this season and they are ready to move on. That should be totally okay. There shouldn't be a sting or anything. It's just part of growth. So the challenge to you today is allowing people to grow and flourish anyway, anyhow, and I hope this helps some of the ego members who were trying to start side projects and they have to do it in hiding. I hope they can find bosses whose mindsets have changed, that they can allow them to flourish on the side without any form of sabotage. Well, this is Mother Eagle giving you a piece of my mind. This is just food for thought. Talk to you soon. Love you guys. Bye.